In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Fortnite if it's not launching on your PC. Right, so the first fix is to download and install something called Driver Easy. And then it's pretty straightforward. After you download it and install the software, run Driver Easy and click the Scan Now button. Driver Easy will then scan your computer and detect any problem drivers. After that, click Update All to automatically download and install the correct version of all the drivers that are missing or out of date on your system. This requires a pro version, so you'll be prompted to upgrade when you click Update All. So you might need to, shell out a few bucks for this. And then just restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and that's probably gonna fix the problem. Fix number 2 is to verify your Fortnite files. So to do this, open Epic Games Launcher, click Library, then click the cog icon in Fortnite. Then click Verify. As soon as the verification is ready, the settings option will switch to Launch. Click Launch to see if Fortnite opens smoothly. The last fix is to repair The last fix is to repair Easy Anti-Cheat. So on your keyboard, press the Windows key and E at the same time to open the File Explorer. Then type Easy Anti-Cheat _ setup. After that, double click on Easy Anti-Cheat setup as soon as it shows up as a result. Then click Yes once to confirm and select Fortnite from the drop-down menu and click Repair Service. After that, click Finish once the uninstall and the install process finish. And then after that, relaunch Fortnite, and hopefully the Fortnite not launching problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon, and see you in the next one.